G'day guys, Mongrel here. This is a Discovery Pro, just built, running all of our new bird dog gear. So we got the bird dog 900 kV Growlers and the K9 ESCs, and we'll just get it up and hovering and show you exactly how this machine performs with that bit of kit. It's also running a NASA V2, and we'll just put it in the stable mode and get it up. So that's in GPS hold mode now. Radio's out in front of me. I'll just give it a little bit of throttle to keep it steady. Alright, we'll fly it around a bit and see how she goes. So plenty of power. 9x5 props. Very stable in the air. Give it a wag. Backward and forward. As I say, it's got enough power to burn if you want it to. A very stable platform running this bit of kit. The new Simon K firmware is fantastic. Really pleased. So there you have it. Stable as. Loving it.